You're only 45 minutes away from your dream investment project. Yes, Elevate condos are coming. It's right next to Highway 8, 5 minutes to Highway 401 in Kitchener-Waterloo area, and it's an amazing investment. You will see there are over 21 amenities in this building. Mind blown, one of the kind of the building here in Canada. Investment perspective, amazing. If you want to move in there, again, that's your place because the unit sizes are huge. There are about 16 restaurants in the walking distance. Big box stores are in the walking distance. Next, you are very few minutes away from the Fairview Mall. LRT, highways are just right there. This is the place you want to invest. I have invested here as well, and I want you to take an action. Give me a call. 647-532-3000.